All right, gentlemen, let's talk about how to level up that beard game of yours. Because let's face it, it's the first thing people notice. Step 1. Beard wash and conditioner. Start by dampening your beard. Then, use a high-quality beard wash and conditioner in one. Regular soap can strip away natural oils, leaving your beard dry. So this combined product will cleanse and condition your beard in one easy step. Step 2. Apply mustache and beard wax. Once your beard is dry, apply a good mustache and beard wax. This helps to style and shape your beard, while providing extra hold and a more polished look. Step 3. Comb or brush your beard. Use a beard comb or brush to distribute the wax evenly throughout your beard, ensuring every strand is in place. Tips: trim regularly. Use a quality trimmer to keep your beard in shape. Trim any stray hairs and shape your neckline and cheek lines. For a sharper look, aim to keep the edges of your beard clean and well-defined. And finally, eat healthy and stay hydrated. Beard health isn't just about products, it also starts from the inside. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of vitamins, minerals, and water. Water is key for keeping your beard healthy. Stay sharp, stay hydrated, and keep that beard looking like it just walked out of a grooming commercial.